Nana Adom Adom, the longest and childhood friend. You know, Eddie Agore free and Quadabrim Abesu Penny Efiemo. Mampane Akufo-Addo nyan mujidie Eddie Kuya wonsem Eshan Sabekaya. Prior to 2016, about to cast here 2 or memo, Adeba when they see Mampane Akufo-Addo so ASM, Badwam Kuya wonsem Ejina now so yepa, and on the share. Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto Ensa. Oko asanteme munsua empenfo eboa chechire asanteme ma asanteme edimu ye ne papa no ka ho bi opani bafo Akoto ne ba ena no pemene no etia doctor akwa
mejoso
boko de
Adom
ye de nyame ase efom boko
efom de ayemremremre
MPP we come to say
MPP
yes
amayoko
yes
J to me 2016 Akoto aba yi da na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo se ono omedi o maiso Afriyie 2020 sign a course ye Akoto aba Ghana for insan fatumi no insan yensa
okay
na o hwe result ayenya no 2016 no parliament enkofo Adom ko ginaginaye 169 ena Ghana for bo ma baso se omonko bashe bijum na samre no yen presidential candidate na Adom Akufo-Addo ono NDC Ampani samre no President Mahamani kujinaye ede wo hyeso no na Adom Akufo-Addo ubiti Mahama more than 1 million votes so share a fourth republic here from 1992 bekana ubia ni ho a wanya sa result no as a presidential candidate intene say e wanimu papa na first term mfie 9 no Bible no homodin pa ma Ghana for ne we as men nyina kanfo se Ghana ne mekoso ekwan bia so wo hwe enema bo wo hwe nsihu ayesie we koje bosian o bank wo hwe sede o mai sika sem ekoso a ne kese abanu bo no homodin yes anko mfie na no ba ya yes anko se ye ko sre Ghana for se omo nsanfa tumi no hyensa no elections na ko 2020 no emenim ni wa obedi no kuro bia hu se anko yamaye fi se wo hwe se de na esi abo ye hu modin wa bam obi e kanfo yan anka ojiri se 169 seats na your parliament na your bashe bijom no anka bia Ghana for ko abe 200 ko 200 seats na Adom Akufo-Addo 1 million nia or DBT maamai na eno so atra maybe 2 million kra na so de ne huye ne say ya ho de our parliament no suti se hwi ne NDC for ena so our parliament 137 speaker of parliament on also NDC hono fear obey speaker na Adom 1 million votes wonyatia president Mahama no so etwemu mienu se hwi ma no ba only 500,000 na bia obi beka se bia NDC for omo na ye campaign kase ema Ghana for a condo esando omo bill eno ntidanka ye pamo MPP na entisa if you say NDC for sa campaign no we can so bia mame one message NDC 2020 campaign na on kai kra
okay
nenso ya hodin eso etete kase pa na me explanation no ne say party no a NPP I call G to me a dear bine a bemono. Party no ne sunsum kofom. If you say, be a becobia, na miss me tell to quine, be a minister, if free 2017, I be see resign 23rd of January, Afriyie me. Except 2020, COVID no buy, will be anti to come, we are some men. Afriyie me call run. Me call a crochet say, me near Quafo could din como. Said the woman humanity crow near my mayor no ministry no. Saying na boa woman and answer emwa woman. Na yensha kwa befaswa a better answer. Nti me call all the regions ni na me call. Me conswa. As I may qua say me near Quafo ne or more extension officers are more more chair Quafo no. Say they will be other down south field. And I say omo tom fertilizer ni seeds ni ho ne ma na say omo yama bro no ni ne ma na omo ina so ya agree na bia me hwe party mpanifo mo de da no wo regions no eno omo nso di nkomo fa ne ma ekoso wo ko no okay na mfie num no out of 6 years na me koye no ensema otiti ofom no enye papa
a friend people.
Yes, say one more the da no.
Yeah.
A polling station for electoral area officers, constituency executives, one more chairman nade. Say ubia ne nyashi and a comedy ne magufu enye adwumanye ensem no bebre. Na de ma me yam shi me pa ne say bosumi du ansa na Akoto 2020 no.
Yeah.
Bebia no ha amampani na ado danko akufado ko campaign na menka ho na hono na wotie nsem akoso fomu a na je se ehaye fat edru ba bi no me hu se ade no be emu be yediaman
ye ko 2020
2020 election
okay
ampanso Akoto abano ehun popular na maka chemu
yeah
say Owusu sisi bebre presidential ayi mutwa mienu say Afriyie bebe ebesimu biewei December no ebesan Akoto ababio na se ebe break it no nya agina ekuo no so MPP so
yeah
na so wo hwe ahokeka wo MPP mu a esua sela no ne nya hwe free mu na comedian na ma etitifie na ensem no de bebre
Dr. Albert Waso na saa ye nya hwe amafo se etie mampeneda akofo ebreso somewhere 2004 and started ye nya hwe sabre mpenifo edunso ya ekọ legon akensie no omufa dodo na campaign ye se ye ba behwe efomfo no eno kotinda abato fra beto aso biem campaign dodo no ye behwe efomfo no so eye deliberate se ye ma fomfo no ho nkyere wo mo no makoso asom ye anase ni omo pe no ebi no ebetimi amo
ni na ne se efomfo no so me dey say samre na ina wa complain na no mo ye no o mampani mbes kofo mbes no
okay
enye ndubi no mo ye ne no na so ti asenso o mampani e de ko hepic
yeah
ema ye eka ye de amama no ina no kase no ye de chei
okay
we nso de crisis ya bay aba emra ya she second term no ase
yeah
na a much deeper crisis than obampani kufo emra into the call hepic no obaya need 2 years near call hepic nti influence na kaya no ne ho hin hai ne ka bia ka no nyina fa no aya omo hye guamai the way they ride in the middle of it na akobase
okay
and a crisis no so a deeper until say who say enye MPP for onko na omo ho chiro mo aho chire ndi e Ghana nyina na mom MPP for no adwin say omo aban ewo mu di at least adwuma bi ba omo as executives and I say yin na so omo no ombenye adwuma no bi
simply say on say small ki eminya.
That's right. And so and this
and a man wana mudi eje omo
o say
and omudi eje omo
omo nya yi obi omo ni nya obi a and one say and nam say a free tete obi aban ba na no hwan hen kakra
okay
na omo say sa ahohin hana na nka omo hwehwe no
okay
ama say ahokyere no ayemo na ahokyere nso ayemo no enye omo nko Ghana nyina because this is the deepest economic crisis I face as a country in the whole generation very deep so and the pension omo kwa omo ayi mo di bia esie say ekogia homia ne behwe wo mo no ni nyina ye de nsa bobom ama no so akoye bibi fofo so enti ahoche no eso chen president Kufuor emre no enti omo no Ghana fo nya feel omo gidi say at least ya ba holiday ka wo say etimi ye bibi ma omo ahoche no kofom that's the whole point Inti ama broni friend mora no ekofom omo aho keka no ekofom na de meme kan say anhwe anye hu bibi na say ye de ko campaign for 2024 ebe ye diamai so o see etime mo hope bi a new message should arise na some message no na me medenam me ka kiro mo say me nim mo how na metimi aka se we ntina asa hawe abamuso na me ba me nema mesime no de e bebre na enye ade foforo uko South Africa say African National Congress Nelson Mandela Nico omo ewo nyuma bebre edisika ba ekonum the mining companies, insurance companies, womu no shares in other companies like this car eba womu tinya bi di hwe womu di ekuo nanum enim no efi womu ye eme create adwuma nso eba na womu afọ womu members na dade so and no bi na mpese NPP possible to say ebit my if you say sorry cry to me etete companies adwuma nema me say me Catholic quality insurance company Catholic owned by the Catholic Church me cars me nema bebre hona me deco this me Catholic no iti Catholic Church no onya mfaso etimi de hwe na sofo esisi adan ayedada no etimi ede ha esisi schools na de adema clinics na de adema nkofo
so to you there or say NPP nya adwuma bia edisika bebreko
yes
even with or without power
yes
say a party bit me strong
yes now independent of government whether its own government or any other government
o mati bi de free microphone chen
o say
o mati bi pen free microphone
why in the cancer
former national chairman Akoto so Akoto basis saba
say the only the Akoto basis me nkasa me to basis I'm saying I'm creating institutions business institutions for the party different when they also October's Akoma constituencies neta and we adwuma sanya adwuma and the party workers na o do omo ko no do omo ba we dey make adwuma dey mfaso meba
adwuma ben na betimi
make insurance companies there were over 6 million votes MPP Ghana for Trabama 6 million votes if you say a company bia MPP company they can say nipa 6 million omunyina for omo insurance say the quality insurance Catholic Church kenye any money dey bebre crowd bebre ya dwene ne mfa maso na me twi ma kuo no members na adwena ba so say mo de frank anu ma me a eniema me ebi ni we e wan dey bebre metimi no atra aka ma de achi so but also unya ho nim de na face wo mo akokodro ene ho nyansa obetimi de atra se na wo yes adwuma no ayi san hyehyɛ na ma party no sika bam e de ahwɛ ne nkofo wo mu di party na nim ne enye sika so e de be develop party no to see we constituency chairman na so person your promotion MPP e wo constituency ina ko fiska because mother headquarters we need capre to ina ko fiska no but who income de sika bafia we nyina obetimi ahwe aye ama development na koso ho ne ma nyina aisa nya adwuma no kura bia ma omo fom ho no kura bia ye na ya attractive say akwara bi a oba no asumasi owi school mo hwe wo ya adwuma ama company ho adia MPP dia
before say BTSC woni suade ho ne nkomo a woni delegate no AD nim say na se wako aprobo kakra mantam no emo ugiri se bibi betimi asesa ma breaking the 8 na be possible.
Oh yes,
because now we can say abembu kakraba
say no say we are at a crossroads you drew baby
okay
she share ne che say amampani Akufo-Addo also okojina home
yes
after next year you should ni pafofra obey party na hwehwe memreda nipa du see ebese etu franka yenkoto aba yinyi nipa enum na 4 November no yenko ba kon obedi enim
okay
message demonstrate say first of all winning problems are from home me I've been a 2-term member of parliament in opposition
yeah
kwada so for no yes betimi fie wo kumase danyame and on best me o me ko mo na say 3 times and sana me nya sa akwanya no e de aba parliament
okay
intimate polling station politics na say because I've been there
yeah
so enti omo ya no e me ya me feel say de omo some omo kan na nya baby nko atoya na say Afriyie mantama na say baby o baby abekobia esrim volta nkraha sante zama baby abefabia party for asam kronwa
but obetimi satisfy party for
Tio.
Over 5 million supporters of the New Patriotic Party.
Yes, but say one more demo supporters. I'm talking about the activists, the officials of the party. I remember 20 November no. Omo kotwaba no. How many party officials?
Yeah.
Polling station executives, electoral area executive, constituency executive, regional, national, and they near my account and 4 power more party in daddy. So almost 7 as say me make no because one mu di ade nanim na ndi edi dom nanim e ko fa vote no ba
okay
na I say o suma strafo say yankoko na e kom de wo
okay
so wo ahodin say dia kom na de no entimi ma no enko kodin
yeah
Sam me pesa me che
Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto 2-term member of parliament, about 5 years in office as minister for food, 6 years as minister for food and agriculture. Dear Kwenya na ultimate created the ma party for work from where no person mnyejiti was my catch room.
Any party for us about be Kenya no do no hire for.
Okay.
Planting for food and jobs no. Omani tremubi. Omubi di ho dance a chow say. In Fiansiana, the Bible source Jumano. A more mukua, your Jumana, your Jumano, Akoso.
Okay.
Only Omoba, so would a greater cry. Constituencies bear and watch any rural fishermen and farmers.
Yeah.
Sege Adanum near Dedina. So to car the court, the cook Busa woman. Say fiancé and no one queer man acquisition. No what tea was some.
Dear Nayamo.
Planting for food and jobs with the new opportunities by a unprecedented MC what Bliss Republic moved that Fourth Republic. I reflecting the rate of growth of the agricultural economy.
Okay.
Say it is say number fire. My bear mark was say.
Okay.
So and no the first thing. Now share crop by crop and also boom. Say a brownie a duane a dini kese pa o mema.
Okay.
So ko sremo so wo nkran ha. Baby abeko be a bro na e dini kese.
Okay.
A bro production e beto so no. Then call more than 1.7 million metric tons da. By 2020
from 2017.
Yes. 2021 we went up to 3.5 million metric tons, more or less double in 5 years.
It's a deliberate adebe pana yedima NP
farmers
where work for more farmers.
Ma nyama MPP farmers. Me ma farmers ina Ghana. You can't cry for me buy me be can't cry for no be an can't cry for nearly 38 years. Me buy 2018 and me ma census. There are 3.1 million farmers in Ghana, full-time farmers. Okay. The program no it may reach 1.7 million farmers. That's the subsidy on seed and fertilizer.
Okay.
It may reach more than 1.57 million.
Planting for food and job creation and why idea?
What's that?
Planting for food and job creation and why idea?
Oh no, TA.
What are the buy?
Yes.
Who brings on a mampene jato?
Oh, Debbie. So, Gideon Mimo. Who share 2016, your manifesto, a great section, no. I'm sure. On like 207, manifesto, no. I was responsible for the whole manifesto. But it drew hono, a great section, no, and I'm sure. Kofium so be planting for food and jobs. And so the following year, he have a minister and I'm planting for food. January and I'm planting for food.
Okay, so now and come on manifesto promise.
There be who be a friend planting for food and jobs.
Okay.
But a day man chairman said straight away I was able to do it because that's my profession. That's my career.
And you're successful.
What's that?
To serve free office.
Now maybe what statistics to be actually one thing. May say 2021.
Yeah.
The rate of growth of the agricultural sector was 8.4%, the highest in this republic. I'm just giving you one statistic.
Okay.
But it show. My can't show say a bro if we have these are all pointed, these are facts. Actually, how successful planting for food and jobs was. Planting for food and jobs, I have 5 modules. There are many with just one module.
Yeah.
The other modules, no. They say a friend tree crop module.
Yeah.
And no. They are called parliament through cabinet. They are called parliament, a law creating that institution. Based in Kumasi. Therefore, nearby Insia, apart from cocoa, no. Rubber, oil palm, coconut, mango, shea, and cashew. Say they are showing us almost develop no to the level of cocoa. A cocoa board fresh no. Almost so develop. And see our World Bank of almost $200 million. So almost fine. Because someone who say, some module no, and a bit me Ghana, higher Ghana.
Now, so before
and we have 2. There are 3 other modules to do with horticulture.
Okay.
Greenhouse, Simiensa, I did be training young men and women almost free universities about when we ride almost Israel. For 11 months internship, paid internship, ministry no boy more settle. So, and sana about livestock. and sana yaba friends say mechanization. Say my farm using farm machinery a day adwuma. Nti planting for food and jobs no enye abro nko ansem na yeka. But there are various aspects of it you implement you guswa ye ho adwuma.
Na say answer obekọ obe free abem no. O last to akọ ya say makwa na wo kan ye. The kind of farm ye na ye man mo no. And I'm yen shede hunu ekuya so mfaso. Say we are paying much attention to peasant farming. It's time maybe encourage amanfo into large commercial farming.
Never made a man cancer. Media may say smallholder agriculture.
Okay.
Up to today, and they produce almost 90% of our whole agricultural output.
Yeah.
And the strategy of planting for food and jobs is to focus on this sector to bring up their productivity.
Okay.
By the application of modern inputs of improved seed and fertilizer.
Okay.
And we've succeeded in a large way in doing that. Average yields, various crops, food crops, a cost production, no cost.
Can you make me a Sagana, Sekasa?
Be break. I don't know my vision if I become president.
I don't know one fancy Saganas Casam Finchia Unya.
What's that?
And one fancy Saganas Casam Finchia Unya, obey our great minister.
I know there. Rome was not built in a day.
Okay.
1947 the creative cocoa board, Gold Coast, the creative cocoa board. ABC time I may call ministry on. Now there has not been one creation of any other commodity institution. Can you believe that? The Bayern Tree Crop Development Authority. So, you see, say in Parliament, may call me Grains Development Authority, the equivalent of tree crops, the grains development, ammonia, yone, the American, a brewing, okay. And also all the same to develop these selected crops. But you need an institution. And yet, apart from the interface with the farmer, who here institution that support the whole thing in terms of research or universities, new high yielding, drought resistance, and farmers, so omuya the obeto free market now store now standards I say here now I say export to and also export. They say cocoa board cocoa pharmacy, the same thing. But I have taken all those initiatives. So, and I'm on my desk, so Horticultural Development Authority, Poultry Development Authority, and I hope say Oma take over to say no. On some way, I'm an abapali.
You have be free. I begin your private health. Say Nipa Umia Kumo Bedi Wadiano, Obetun Yesu was a sea, and Emma Ujan table sons and free of it.
So, part 2 of planting for food and jobs.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Dr. Owusu Akoto, Enkani Abanswa for no show my Kuya Eho and Samson. Na Ekasay, or company food do EIA pre-wood to NPP Amukum, say NPP Alishi Behuno, na Oberton Sabajana to nobody Amukunim, a Fimpimino, and a Junai Abatocasia, a da enemy. Na officer Pempeso apart and about me, he'll be obeyed me as a partner, no the in Kenya. About NPP party. What the delegates Eddie Komwa, dear Nawunya, feeling better about your winning?
Me very positive, says Lady Kano, Oma who said Mahu how.
Okay.
And my dear Tombs said, how no. The Kwanso I met first one, the Mammy be 2 francana, me first one must how no a few almost. They believe it because Omunim say. Through planting for food and jobs. And most of them are farmers, by the way. Most of our delegates, at least 60-70% of them, are farmers. And I experienced the positive impact of my policies and my core ministry 6 years now, and in their lives.
Okay.
So, and the idea of Judy said the American me.
What is awesome we are now often saying? Say Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto who say na down for the President Kufado. It also bet me a mampeni.
Oh, Debbie, I know there, I'm not kind of say, one can he.
Okay.
If you say now for fun, and your politics, your personal relations, it's not politics. It's two different things altogether.
Party for so major president.
Sir,
as a president, I'm sure.
Oh,
and then who say, and no to me a campaign. Say president, major president, and so what done for party president? Yeah, who come no more.
Nipa MPP for say now no more. I didn't go home, so or major president. That's good. We didn't have me no me say because didn't come out. Now they are better on television. Say party for major president. Jawasa waka. Oh, child, but it's okay. Meaning, so omonia bread.
Okay.
Ubi a comedy be a when you're happy person. Then I can understand that.
Yeah.
Now say, oh, we are as much in open there, and they have been only.
Sir, when a party for Asia, Namoshe and Comodio mo dear. Are you really sure, sir, who you'll be unable to miss any that's on upper MP because say Nippo Bedi partner in him. I was so decay, you know, I could pay the one thing to make a crowd of Fasua or back calming down nerves. I'm a before about partner upper form. Do you think that you stand in that gap about me a buffono upper from ye?
Me, family who say, me could do for.
Okay.
It be beer, you may be anywhere, I say a bromiso. We say, made the machi, and my young coupon.
Okay.
Intino, so be a come do be. Nansumin could tell you, and Nansumetimako Casa. A more who say, Unya Boteka crab in Yami no dear. That's the kind of message. Yami no, any the diagnosis I may can't you say. Me more tears say, meaning. One we are a trouble I'm go through.
Okay.
Now me was solution no.
Okay.
The solution no. It been a mechanical way.
Okay.
It be brave. It been a mechanical way. I'm a nipa na so down one knee kwa. Obashi wa tikota no journey. Say brave so obeka me. Yo. Ema command me. Nanso yanhwe. Ibi oba. Obit masesa because November 4th. Yeah. And it's 7 December 2024 no. Hey, just 1 year. Yeah. You can't do much.
Okay.
But it's the intentional what be many panel. First of all, that you are diagnosing the problem, you are recognizing problem, which is what I have seen and I acknowledge openly. So, and secondly, no. And she say I'm best me the party woman e ma sesa say the be adachi bi no e kom no a e de no be ko fam no so me di good fam a enye bibia e kire so
okay
e bibia ubetimi say wo when you prepare so wo ya ubetimi aye
okay
nti eno no e hye wo mo nkran e ma wo psychologically no wo mo accept say nipa we the frank an hye nsa be a Dutch boy.
Dr. Bin Cultural say, Feel Coin Mudunti, Yent means Sama or Penny when you feel Coin Musa Megan and Penny.
Say, me no to way.
Okay.
Say, a full business almost as a no meal. I know they have to check.
But some for
Mintibia,
until
because the kind of energy that I have.
Okay.
Your ministry. Now make us all the existing constituent regions every year. The council and let's say Akoto office or regional office all. In Omo Nipan Bibra. Me council and I'm going to make meeting all my directors.
Okay.
Because they have to learn what is going on in the field. Sure. You do a bit no more permit. Oh, we have a burger cram. So
Doctor, let me understand John Mahama because by analysis
Mahama.
Okay.
He was president when I was the ranking member, opposition in parliament.
Yeah.
I know a name or ye nara. Make my family book, cook answer them. Look at what share. Me jina floor parliament. Someone me can against the policies in my room feedback. On the on train yeba.
Mahama nya match to you.
Me see on train yeba.
Mahama nya match to you.
And I didn't know. Samia made a sumu. Ghana phones Uncle Fanbra, near made a sumu. Ghana phone coffee. No one sign pay or whatever they call it. Agreement. Who go for DBC take or pay. Say, would be a juma find your juma, which listen, go no Ghana.
American agency.
Who's that?
And you're American agency.
Debbie. No, it cannot be.
And you take up in American.
No.
Then you're married, you're Matamokusi, Ashanti Regime,
a young coy. The Czechoslovaks, a young coy. You don't worry. They may catch on and say the policies are Mahama drive agriculture to the level of almost minus something.
But no more free fertilizer.
Who's saying?
No more free fertilizer.
Am I any per se? See, a so almost. Share statistics, no. Now, share quantity of fertilizer I distribute to farmers under Mahama. Any year by how many thousands of metric tons of fertilizer. Share statistics, no. Now, share amount of improved seeds. Mahama no distribute to farmers compared to year by 2017. It be seen there. How many tons? See, more journalists, Mr. Mo, yeah, more research na more. Maybe by 2017, I was able to distribute 2,275 metric tons of improved seed.
Okay.
Last year, how much? Almost 50,000 tons of improved seed in the market for. The one I had.
Yes,
oh, with a handsome area.
Owusu Badwam on Adom TV. Everyone to say, but my boys, this car, Kayanko, Nyanko Game Park, Natia Driver. Yes, I'm a quabe being Owusu, any doctor, Owusu, Afriyie, Akoto, Penny or Candy Pedu, ya a Badwam Owusu, any doctor, Owusu, Afriyie, Akoto, Penny or Candy Pedu, ya a Badwam Penny de Brewo, NPP, Amanyokumu. Owusu ewo enkonyemu ayesi enkonya edim komode fa na ni so ade ho erema NPP as a political party and for my Ghana mo nyina essence na ni so ade ho yese 2024 abato kese ayekoi obegina NPP amyuko frank aso akwako prima mpani adwa ade amomo. Are you breaking the 8 for NPP?
And
we now break 8 no.
Say Eddie Frank and Chairman
Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto. Because every before any person set a record that a BC Ghana about down.
That's right. Any abre.
Doctor, when you saw the for your poem, they won't seem to say. Your poem, your nurses for a Johnny Free memo.
Oh, let's say a director of health.
Yeah.
Or can't say. Or more last year, more free Hano. I think so. Can say by 2,000 every month.
Yeah.
Then so there are over
40,000.
Yeah, I train more employed. Until we can always replace them. Manon look as you said, the whole system is a collapse.
Okay.
It cannot be.
So
because we share private nursing schools all over the country. Training as nurses. A dozen pa nti enkoba say omu nyina bekwa brochi na eja ayarefo hospital
o how ne say omo fire nurses ikono mo ye well trained and do omo ko.
Yes.
Se ufri school mu a uhia so obi owo adwuma no so betete adwuma no so. Omo adwuma so say mo koi. The last time Ghana registered as a midwife association secretary was so far about 10,207 and I apply some percent omoko. Yentimi nye bibi asomai entimi kipi yankase nurses. Chance we jom so monko bi maso.
Well, ni na say.
Okay.
I was a ban to take advantage. It means that the demand of the quality of nurses in Ghana is high. You are prepared to pay for it. There should be a government-to-government arrangement. This is the Philippines and any other countries here. So open housemaid near that there is an agency who call her a ban charge every person be obekwa is jumano.
Yeah.
Abano etua aban we bibi. Menim se bia ya sha se yes ade na se inside se there o say abano hwe na odisa anhyehyɛ no eto form se be ya o man Ghana no e benya ho faso.
Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto, camera is woni me e camera connected to a wiase afa na nyina. Ma MPP delegate NTS say date no so munya gidi ewu mu de tumi kese sei e shonsa.
Yo menu anom MPP fo a memeda moko hia no makoto aba eyi ne panum enum no November 4th and also dom kese no anso akoyi ba akon e de franka no be hyem nza moti enkoma medino a e kire se mo MPP ekuo no nti na metia ha mesi me candidate fi say ema bebre o party ma me say ehamo na ehamo nso me minim fi say ma fam as a member of parliament o kwada so a me ko pre sa akonya no Mpensenpensemu na mensa kae intimate grassroots politics ase polling station politics no which I say be minister enso mentran krankwa afibia so meba monase wo ba bia mo e be hwe madwuma mo ye ene sede niema emo amohia ne adade emo no so bebre enso be de mam eno nti so wo hwe sese kuayo adwuma ene sede etumpon wo mamu a na o so hu se me nipa bia wo de adwuma mamia be hwe so no maye ama mfaso abam time sremo se memre da mokoto abano a ontuma Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto mena me number 5 or ballot no so me mfoni wo so me din so wo so na mo mfantim manim na mo moama memeye o mampani eme flag bearer of the party maybe deep eko nanim na me yemfanko 7 December next year enkoto aba no ye koto aba no ese menya ye nyina ye benya ho mfaso said ye kwan a me fa so edi ye madwuma e wo ministry ho ema obi ebo mabase no saa kwan no anso na me fa so de ahwe o man Ghana no nyinara ama ye mane ye nananom ne nanan kanso anu nso ba beto no mo so hu se o man a tumpon ntime sremo se eduwa monkame na monto abanmame.
Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto premampani dibre ewo NPP amyoko namtese ne twetwe nkomo medin de yakwasi nsia ochina yebese de ehia bakra. Eti watie wahwe yene Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto ena atwe wo campaign for the year pre woti wo NPP amyokom se ochina memre de adi animu party ni mpanifo enso ne soma mekanum omso ne so ne bekanum a on the 4th of November 2023 omoto aba edi eyi nipo bekura party ni franka edi amomo wajibre ahwe me makwan atum frɛ Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto enkomui. It was especially the Monday more ewo Agric Ministry 0302 211 701 and 0302 211 702 ekosi 4 but ofra Adom o sound no na intimikasa ewo phone so yet be find pado na kasa so ewo so wait me agene say 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 and 0302 211-703 na 4. Frena yeni enko happy birthday enko enfama Chairman BB Moro. ya wo Akwatia constituency ene your birthday you see all the best nyame enhira na onyo kese kopem se obeye kese pa we free chairman Godfred Bonsu NDC Kade constituency wo also the political father na odawase entity pa wo de amano nani so ne waye enso e de amanti chairman BB Moro happy birthday enko emfa emma. Then once again happy birthday so enkoma penning Amanda Adua Adobia we are fe ene na wenya so wo basic one e Madonna school okoforija ene your birthday we efri o papa Kofi we are fe o maame na ya akona du unua no wante wo fa no nyina se we show happy birthday yami enchira kopem so be ye kese pa no aye kese mu kese so Amanda Adua Adobia we are fe happy birthday enko emfa emma sanso na no pa ma memfa moni yo kese enko mfa ma eye penipa no ene da mif adwumako ano the CEO of Minerals Income Investment Fund ene adwumako no under his leadership adwumako no tricky in down to say omenya about $1 billion wadwuma mo eyenim e de aboa Ghana ban sikasem and say muye ne say ya yebuma baso so the CEO adwumafo ene mu amaka mo bua ma mef agina naso ye no ye wish mu nyina all the best nyame nhyiram ne adwumapa mo ye e de ma oh my Ghana. Hello, good morning. Now, Mano Ate Ere Ato bet me a friend 0302 211 701 0302 211 702 Ecosi 4. Old man, good morning.
Good morning, opening.
Okay, patch me into you.
Yo, me the old man, me kase fiye kunfi constituency.
Okay.
I'm the anepeno yete asama Dr. Owusu Afriyie wakana. In fact, oshe yinkure papa especially. MPP delegate then yatu abano intane peza ye ka chile mpanyimfo a wokoto oye super delegate ni de mama wo free de woboto abano wato ama Dr. Owusu Afriyie usande onu na embra oye den no covid time oye den no otumi ma Ghana fu edibanu mi wedi
okay
tinyimpa bi dam no se otumi na odi MPP enyima in fact nkunyimeze no oye one touch.
Sure.
Inti want to ma Dr. Owusu Afriyie Akoto na delegate no so do aye so piano me bibia aye fine.
Yeah, I see. We call so many Evans, good morning.
Good morning.
Boko there.
Yami Adom
Evans etio.
Yo, anopa me tia no yet ma fa ye na ko bo sha. Na winya se Ghana was so see ya pay for no mu kan no ka kan che na ye di mo che ya se mu kan no ka no ma ya ma ai se politicians no ason ko no mu di. Also, cancer Mama did so about Ubisa and Mary once and say, and then I could see Masiama, you can't just one to me, Yan, I see the bow and table for Fabia. If you yes, why, and you share the car, no young woman. Who don't know Catania was on Korea through. Two by your best idea. If you are the entity in the best, let Pesa come back to Abarama, Bamiamo. Then Papa will party about me.
But I say, of I say, good morning. Of Humano Ate Atom 0302211701 Ecosi 4. Over to me, Adjourney na Eja Yarapi up na Ame Musu, Amajmedia Outdoor Akanaso Atwas. Be Germany, and I go so live on Adom TV. So now hear me so DSTV channel 280 and a Go TV channel 119. Also live on YouTube. And so with me, I should be we have a good morning.
Morning, no.
Boko dear.
Bako obia ho ye de.
Yeah, they am here. We are free yet you.
Metia Dr. Afriyie Akoto ye pa.
Okay.
Nyami sia no on sia o maya de. De esa mo ye boa Ghana no. Eno ana o maye. But delegates ni de. Me pen pa ni a friends the Canada Japan. Say ko no be on ne bet ma be face your mama.
Okay.
Because we share ambani mu no na ma ministerial position bia one be hwe. So no na betimi ntinya sa omo ye campaign de tia de a omo ye de tia omo nya bet Canada Japan de u ka bibia fa no a
okay
e be de ntimedia media kama drink say Canada Japan de on na say one of the best flag bearer yes tomorrow
May I say Mama good morning.
Morning, Director Pumdi.
Boko Pacho Free.
The President Yankaman Quanta.
Yetio.
Pacho Unze, interview no end, oh yeah, the part, the Bilika Crammy do we only say. Once Obi Sana say, your mom watch a free fertilizer. But if fertilizer, you pay him a year. Only a free one tone. And so on our free idea, yet home. Government don't tell me for. The mama then if more, and I'm married, Doom Sona Sala or Kayano. Or see what the American cook must see the diamond face. Or some question say, okay, I'm married. But you're quite seeing your person, yes, or would do so. So one today, on the these are outside of business, okay, American cook master, and I'm on fire. Then I saw would do so, not on one a plant then I'm with it. I'm do some you're from a interview now. Mom push on point by point. In INTS, in IC.
Mate, yeah, that's it. Gershon, good morning. Hello.
Hello.
Gershon, good morning.
Good morning.
Me Pacho Free.
Very good for the IC.
Gershon, Yetio.
Me Pacho, me person in Bisa Asamba Kubisa.
Okay.
Adentina Ghana Yampen Fono, they are not encouraging the youth. You from war by Monose, they should stand for presidential. Not the piano. Umushi a quenim, not the dia almost standing. Thank you.
Okay, Mr. Badas. Hello, good morning.
Morning.
About your friends, so free.
Within the Abenwa, me free fishing.
Okay, I've been with you.
That's papa. Many aje, Kaya, who are free Akoto fa so kata, Kasa, say. Opinion to Abaman or MPP no very frag bearer obey me abokuno. My study umunina from 1 up to Baumia. Ubia number 2 out to was all my Ghana bay papa. Ubia super be dear sefata. But this crucial moment pa woman Ghana hapa we are seeing na global weather. COVID abe bomamu bie so adigita ma yi no ho no. Mr. Sisters and this time Yema Dr. Mahmoud Baumia Dikita man, eba be fa be ano no nkumu nyina nya botere support man na ka bibia be ya kama. Tinke be ya nke nyina ye nya this time no de nke ye mfa ye nyina ye ho mo afode because the global world now you see pandemic come we are seeing nyina ye dey obi so hit we bia but omatimi manage system go for wire and system no timi gina dollars na sebu kakra na bibia titiba form no se ye nyina ye nya botere twen a command which me San Fran to my perfect. But
hello, good morning. Should I woman or at one picky best 2 or 3 calls be na afifa era pay up na jumedi outdoor aka and so and to us my make house nyame adwa memre da ena MPP amyoko eko abato so akoto omuaba asode nipadu amna beka enum eso na your election headquarters kokromoti power. As usual, you the live coverage of the Super Delegate Conference. No, Ebebro. Now, we send you Ebeko Ede Afa. Alasa, good morning.
Good morning, Pacho. It is a
Yami Adom. Alasa, free yet you.
Yeah, Danyama, she said, Martin, be phone lines are yes, free.
Okay.
Now, Dr. Akoto Afriyie or Kase Mama at the Dumso by or Bois. Yeah, Munkan, crash, you better go to a more. Yeah, go to a more and continue TV Mona, who transfer say Mama di Dumswaba. Yan Kanisa, and your cousin Saniaka. Big 8 there now, more Canada, or Mubia Mui or Monomo, or Mubia to me, fishy, your Mama.
Okay.
That's it.
Matsi, Merasi, good morning. Fachabi said, went to me, Enyinaso. I'm picking last 1 or 2 calls be navi. And for Rapasala make us remember that a live coverage and a partner near call Adom TV, Adom 106.3 FM, Sasuna Asempa 94.7 FM. Yeah, the live coverage of NPP Super Delegate election. You are Mobekwe and who send you now. Ebero Caro, good morning.
Morning.
Send a Kumase Kodi and a Koso.
Kumasi de Boko, Aja, Yangupon area so. Ma de patching na or the Casa lesson in Hondia and I say no Kumasi Boko 2 bonza da Roma until what am Mr. Mesro Kakra Moduma Pound Mesro Kakana me now Obinso Sebako Kalusha baako a wɔwɔ Accra a oyi baba ɛwɔ ayi ɛda ase paa me de Ghana deɛ merehwɛ ne sɛ sisi a Baumia ɛne Canada wɔn mmienu na ayɛ tension ka me deɛ nkyɛ ka nka Canada emla because Canada said the hotel no you be a or justice or ye mistake ya on Trimount. He said Ghana na one ya so thing. Ghana for ya so the un didn't say ya ma Canada ma Canada ba and a boy.
Okay. Mate. But I say so to me. If I had a digibade nyina e be se me dey akwese na say kese koma production team. Kojo Fojo Kofi Ampadu sound light camera. Okay, also the full name there Wabek Kofi Ampadu. Eti ohun ni sa no afre. Me dey akwese sia o chira pa e be say